So here's how to remove powered by Shopify. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the end so you don't miss any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your Shopify account. Then here you have to click on the online store option. Once you click on it, now it will open this menu. From here you have to select the themes, and once you select the themes option, and now it will open this page. Now here you have to click on these three dots, and once you click on it, now it will open this menu. From here you have to click on the edit code option, and once you click on it, now it will open this interface. Here you have to scroll down and go to the sections option, and once you click on it, now here you have to further scroll down and go to the footer dot. Here you have to further scroll down and go to the footer dot liquid option, and once you click on it, now it will open the HTML code, and now you have to search for the powered by Shopify option here. To search this phrase here, I'm gonna click on the Ctrl+F option on the keyboard, and once I clicked on it, now it will take me to the powered by Shopify option. Now you have to simply remove this phrase, and once you remove the phrase, now you have to click on the save option to save these settings, and now you have to click on the preview store option at the top right corner to preview the store. After that, once you go to your store, now powered by Shopify will be removed. So this is how to remove powered by Shopify.